Hi guys, welcome to day 14 of my 28-day face yoga challenge, and we have officially completed 2 weeks and I'm so proud of you. By now your muscles are more active, your circulation is better and your face is already starting to feel more lifted and relaxed. So let's get the momentum going and start today's routine. I'll be taking rosehip seed oil for today. You can take any facial oil or serum that suits your face, but do apply something before we start the exercises. First exercise, frown line removal. Use your fingers to gently smooth out the frown lines between your brows. Just glide your fingers from the center, extending towards your temples. Apply a little pressure while you're doing it. This exercise helps relax tension and prevents deep expression lines. Just keep repeating these steps along with me for a few more seconds. We're almost about to finish. Next exercise, palms on forehead. Place your palms on your forehead and move your eyeballs up and down. Just gently hold the skin of your forehead in place and keep moving your eyeballs up and down. This exercise strengthens forehead muscles while reducing fine lines. At the same time, it also helps with your eye muscles, strengthening your eye muscles. Keep doing the exercise with me for a few more seconds. You're doing really good. I know this exercise gets tough towards the end, but keep doing it. You're doing amazing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Next exercise, under eye pull. Gently pull the under eye area outward using your fingers. Start from the center under your eye, ending at your temples. This exercise improves circulation and helps reduce puffiness and fine lines. Just make sure your fingers are easily gliding under your eyes. There is no friction. If you feel it, then apply a little more oil or serum or moisturizer, whatever you are using in today's routine. Keep repeating the exercise with me for a few more seconds. Next exercise, full face massage. Massage your entire face using an upward stroke. We'll start from the chin, extending towards the center, ending it here. This exercise boosts blood flow, relaxes facial muscles, and gives your skin a natural glow. Apply a little pressure while you're doing this exercise, starting from chin, sides of your nose, forehead, ending at temples. Just a few more seconds. Next exercise, cheek to ear pull. Lift your cheeks upwards towards your ears. This exercise helps in sculpting and lifting the mid-face area. Just keep gliding your fingers across your face. Keep repeating this for a few more seconds. Next exercise, nose up and down massage. Massage your nose gently in upward and downward motions. Using your fingers, apply a little pressure. This exercise improves circulation and helps in defining the area. Watch carefully and do it with me for a few more seconds. Next exercise is tongue turning. Rotate your tongue inside your mouth in circular motions. We'll start in one direction first. You can go clockwise 3 times. And then change the direction and do it 3 times in that direction, and keep changing the direction after every 3 times. This exercise tones facial muscles from within and defines your jawline. We have to do 3 times in each direction. Next exercise, neck lift. Lift your chin slightly upward and feel the stretch in your neck. You have to extend your jaw forward, hold it for a few seconds and release. Come down, lift your head again, extend your jaw forward, 1, 2, 3 and release. Lift your head, extend your jaw forward, hold for a few seconds and release. Again, lifting my head, extending jaw forward, 1, 2, 3, release. Again, repeating it, extending jaw forward, going back, release. Again, lifting my head, extending my jaw forward, hold and release. And that's it. Next exercise, hyoid stretch. Place one palm over the other and lift your head upwards and then bring it down. Keep moving your head up and down while placing your hand one over the other. Now we will continue doing this for a few more seconds. And that's day 14 done. 2 full weeks. Take a second to applaud yourself because consistency like this isn't easy, but you are doing it. Face yoga isn't just about looking better, it's about feeling more connected to yourself, releasing stress and building that quiet confidence from within. If you have made it this far, don't stop now. We are so close to the halfway mark and the results are only going to get better from here. If you haven't started your journey with me yet, you can start now. Watch my videos from day 1. I have made a playlist tagging it here and in the description box. Also, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Support this channel and I will continue making more videos for you, and I'll see you on the day 15 now of this my face yoga series. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.